Hi everyone, welcome to another session on accounting terms. We've already covered a few other terms under this series. The link of those videos would be provided in the description box below. The term that we are covering today is capital or equity. So, what is equity or what is capital? Well, in the simplest form, capital is the money that the owner invests in the business either to start a business or to expand the business. I would want you to note here that capital and equity are the same, but when to use which term is also what we would learn by the end of this session. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose you want to start a business. So, what would you do? You would keep some money aside or take out some money from your savings which you would be using to start your business. This money which you are going to use to start your business or expand your business is referred as capital. Now let's have a look at a scenario. Suppose you have two houses, in one of them you stay and the second one you use for starting up your business. So as an owner, now you are investing money and you're also going to be using your own house to start this business. You would no longer be able to use this house for your personal purpose because you're going to set up either a manufacturing unit or an office over here where the business is going to run. So how do you treat such a situation in accounting? So whenever you use your personal asset like a house or a car for the purpose of business, that is, you solely use it for the purpose of business, the value of this is also treated as equity or capital. Therefore, if an owner gives his assets for the purpose of business, that also has to be included in his value of capital. So capital includes number one, the money that the owner invests in the business, and number two, the value of any asset that he has given for the business. At the beginning of the video, I had said we'll be looking at when to use the word equity and when to use the word capital. Now here, as accounting students, I would want you to know that a business can be in various forms. So, if the business is owned by one person, it is called a sole proprietorship. So, whenever the business is owned by one person, the money invested by him is going to be referred as capital. Now, this person wants to expand. So, what he can do? He will ask some of his friends to join the business. Therefore, now the owners are going to be more than one person. So, whenever the number of owners are going to be more than one, it is referred as partnership. The money that is invested together by these two people is going to be referred as partners' capital. Now, the business is doing very well and it has run as a partnership for few years. Now, the owners want to expand it and take it a step ahead, and they want to sell shares and raise money from the public. So what they will have to do is they will have to convert this partnership into a company. Now that the ownership has changed into a company, they will be able to sell shares and raise money from the public. So in case of a company, the capital which is invested by these shareholders is going to be referred as equity or share capital. Now let's put it together. If there is one owner, then the money invested by the owner is called capital. If the number of owners is more than one, it is referred as a partnership business and the money invested by the owners is referred as partners capital. And if the business is raising its capital by selling shares to the public, then its capital is referred as equity or share capital. So capital, partners capital or equity is something you would use depending upon the kind of ownership a business has. Let's summarize the session. So capital is the money invested by the owners. Capital and equity mean the same thing, but when to use which term depends on the kind of ownership. I hope this video is useful to you and you're able to understand the concept. In case you have any questions or any doubts, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you have found this video useful, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And do remember to press the bell button, that way you would be notified about all our future videos. Bye-bye.